How you guys doing today? We're done here at the house. House was great. Never did hit the pool. It was too cold and rainy and gross, which is also why we were unable yesterday to get the supercars. But look at how it's cleared up. So we are gonna head back over to Royalty and see if we can't scoop up a couple of cars before our flight at 2 o'clock. Are still in Las Vegas, Sin City. Been here for 4 days for a conference unrelated to Daily Driven Exotics for one of my other companies, but we've been trying to bring you some supercar content. That got derailed due to a flood yesterday. It rained for a little over 24 hours straight, extremely hard. The streets were all flooded. I mean, I kid you not, this intersection right here, just over my shoulder, was full of water, and I had to watch this beautiful McLaren 720 come back and slowly make its way with the lift up through that water. But today we are back at Royalty Exotics. The whole plan was to show you guys where you can come and drive these amazing cars without having to buy them. So you can come and choose from an array of supercars here, the best in the business at Royalty. I've been doing my due diligence trying to find you guys a credible, reliable, affordable place that does all the things you would need. So for example, if you don't have your own insurance, if you're like myself, I'm considered an international person because I'm from Canada. I don't have the ability to transfer my insurance from my car onto one of these cars. I have to pick up like third-party insurance, which these guys offer, and it's only $200. So you can get insured to drive a $500,000 Aventador for 200 bucks. You can rent this car also for 24 hours, which is what a lot of places do, but that's really expensive, and sometimes you know, you don't want it for the whole day. And they actually offer smaller packages in that half day or even just a few hours packages. So you can get anything you want here. And yeah, I'm just really excited to bring this to you guys because everybody asks me on the channel, like, how can I get my first supercar experience? Where can I go? Who should I talk to? And I've never been able to give any real credible references until now. So if you want to come and drive a car, you guys can come here to Royalty Exotics in Vegas. Highly recommend it. Vegas has so much to see. You can do the city thing, drive the strip, or you can just head out to the desert, do the Red Rock Canyon, go to the Hoover Dam. There's some amazing things to see here in the Las Vegas area. So why don't, with any further ado, because we're gonna be late for a flight, I came here just to show you this, and the owner was so hospitable. He had his guys bring out all the cars that they had in the back right now that were clean, and allow us to showcase them for you guys, of course. It's pretty rad. Helicopters over top. So why don't I give you guys a quick walkthrough around some of the cars, tell you what they have, and then on another trip to Vegas, we've got something special set up where we're gonna start driving some of these cars and showing you how to operate every single model and the functions of them, the different sights and sounds. We did a few startups and a few revs here today. We'll do a quick walkthrough on some of the cars. This is a Lamborghini Huracan Spyder. It is the 580-2, so that means that it's 580 horsepower, produced from a naturally aspirated V10. It's the rear-wheel drive variant. Beautiful car, soft top convertible, amazing. Perfect for getting your vitamin D on a day like today. Next up, it's also convertible. This is the Ferrari 488 Spyder. It is a hardtop convertible. This is a twin turbocharged V8. It produces 660 horsepower, an extremely fast car. Also, something to note, all of these cars are gonna have twin clutch paddle shifters, so there's no clutch pedal involved. It's just simply right up to go up gears, pull left to go down gears, and honestly, it's such an amazing experience. If you've never had the opportunity to drive a car with paddle shifters, you truly feel like you're in a race car. We have the JDM, that's the Japanese domestic market, Nissan Gtr. This car is a twin turbocharged car. It's all-wheel drive. This car is producing a little over 500 horsepower, 550 horsepower. I believe this is even the Nismo or Black Edition. Correct me if I'm wrong. Don't kill me in the comments. I'm doing this really quick. Next up, we have the Acura Nsx. This car is very, very unique because it is actually a hybrid as well. It's got electric motors that assist it. This car is turbocharged. It also has something very unique to it, which is it has 9 gears in its gearbox. Now you've got behind me the Mclaren 720S, arguably one of the best supercars produced in recent times. This car is also turbocharged. It's a V8. It produces, well, they claim 700 horsepower, but a lot of people are dynoing these cars, finding out it's more like close to 800 horsepower to the crank. Super, super fast car. This car is a rocket. Some unique things to this car are that all the previous cars that we've discussed have the regular doors. This has what you are very well known as billionaire doors or supercar doors. They go up on a gull-wing angle. Sick, seriously sick. And now we have the Lamborghini Aventador. This is a naturally aspirated V12 motor. It produces 700 horsepower. That gets put to the ground through an all-wheel drive system. This car is viciously, violently fun to drive. It has a single clutch. So out of all these cars having twin clutches, this is the only car with a single clutch, which makes those gear shifts, that much more experiential, if that's even a word. Tons of fun. Something you gotta, honestly, you have to hear the way that this V12 sounds in person. It is insane. And it's got the scissor doors. The most iconic doors out of all supercars are probably the Lamborghini scissor doors, which are on this model. Okay, so here we have the Porsche Gt3 Rs. This is a track-focused street race car, essentially. It's been stripped down to be a little lighter. It has a 4-liter flat 6 mounted at the very back of the car. It produces just over 500 horsepower. Arguably probably one of the best gearboxes in the business. That is by Porsche's PDK system. And yeah, it might not be the most aggressive looking car here, but on a racetrack, it would arguably be the hardest car to beat around the track. Nürburgring honed over in Germany. Definitely come and check this car out. It is really something to experience behind the wheel. We're now inside the showroom of royalty. These guys also rent out the Polaris Slingshot. Pretty unique vehicle, 3 wheels, open top, manual. I've never driven one personally, but I'm thinking the next time I come here, I have to get behind the wheel of one of these. Pretty unique looking. Check this out. So you got your gearbox there, you got your 3 pedals, very unique steering wheel, complete open top. Look how low the windshield is. Can you imagine?
This thing's manual.
Yeah.
Dude.
Hey AJ, do you have to wear a helmet while riding this? No helmet? Not in Vegas? You just roll down the street in this thing as it is?
Oh yeah.
That's nuts. No. And you don't even need your motorcycle license? Wow. I'm gonna have to try one of these next time, bro. This thing is so unique. Dave, check out the back end of this thing.
Come around.
It's like, it's belt driven, hey? What? Belt driven, exposed suspension.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy.
I've seen them, but like Polaris Slingshot. Dude, we're gonna have to come back and try this. What do you guys think? Little Polaris Slingshot action on the channel. By the way, these guys also do super bikes. We got a bunch of liter bikes here behind me. The absolutely nuts BMW. This thing puts out like 200 horsepower. Got a couple of Ducatis, beautiful. Oh, 1299, that's gonna be producing 200 horsepower as well. I believe this one even being, yeah, single-sided swing arm. Right up Oliver's lane here. We'll have to get Ollie out on a super bike and he can race Dave and I in the super cars. Dave, they got Eleanor here. Little Gone in 60 Seconds action next time we're in town.
The Widowmaker.
This thing's nuts.
Good vibe. To the roll cage?
Oh yeah.
Pretty basic, but
Got the harnesses.
this could do some damage. I love it.
The shifter is amazing. Look at that wooden steering wheel.
It's a big gas cap.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
It is nuts. This car would be so raw to drive.
It's probably so loud. It's for sale?
This would be a car you would not want to drive in the rain.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, we got to run, guys, and go and hit that airline, get our asses down to LA. But again, I want to thank the guys at Royalty. AJ here's the man to talk to. Give him a call. It's free to ask questions. If you want to get down here and rent a car, these guys will take care of you. Thanks again, my friend.
All right, man.
Next time we're in town, we're going to be going out in some supercars. Unfortunately, we ran out of time and the rain ruined us yesterday. Take care of yourself, homie.
All right, guys.
Ready to roll, Dave?
Do it.
Ollie will be pissed if we're late for our flight. One last shout out for Royalty. There's their phone number. 702-602-6971.
You know what car I would
Dude, these, what car would you take?
Guess.
488 Spyder. The Porsche, the Gt3 Rs?
Yeah.
That's your
It
jam?
looks like you could do so much damage with this car.
Dude, I'm telling you, this is a track weapon. It's not the most exotic looking. I mean, it's nuts looking.
Yeah.
But I've driven my friend Ryan's and it's crazy beyond belief.
Yeah. I like
I want to drive the 488 Spyder.
it. Next time.
Yeah.
We'll come back to Vegas soon.
So we gotta check this out because Dave just pointed out there is an H1 mil spec with a freaking gun. How's that even legal?
I don't know. Vegas. Wow.
What?
Look at that.
What? That's crazy, dude. It's funny. Look at these burgers, you guys. In-N-Out burger. Ollie's got the rocket no cheese. Got some fries. Oh, what's that called?
It's a 4x0. It's 4 meat, no cheese.
Gnarly. Okay, try it. You've never had In-N-Out, have you?
I actually have.
Oh. Have you had In-N-Out?
A long time ago.
Oh, okay. Well, that's nobody's first time. We'll just enjoy our food and not vlog at all. Crushed that. Crushed it. Well, he didn't leave the door open for the guys. I don't even know where they went. I turned around, they weren't even there. Range Rover getting a little in and out. Adios to the Vegas Strip. Another entertaining time in Sin City has come to an end.
Okay, Google.
Let's do it again.
Navigate.
We just arrived at rental car returns here at the airport. Got to give back this beast. It's unfortunate. We've had some good times.
Look at all that, like, crud just on the side.
Yeah, that's weird. That must have been from the rain, hey?
Yeah. It's definitely the rain.
Thanks for pulling these all out, brother. That was a really bad high five, though. Well, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Do it again.
The shoes. Oh, yeah, thanks.
What you eat? 29? I can get a Carnation milk on that.
What the? They fire at you? That sucks.
Hey, thanks a lot, guys.
You're welcome.
Cheers. Welcome to Los Angeles, you guys. We're gonna have some fun. We'll go meet up with Parker, and yeah. What's the prank? What are we getting? We're gonna get Parker back with. You had a good one on the plane. Don't even say it. Don't even say it. We're not. I just realized we're on camera.
You just realized?
That's actually pretty wild. Looks like we're taking the Q3, you guys. You guys, check out the mirror on the back. Okay guys, I think I'm at Parker's house. I'm not 100% sure. This is the address. Why don't we go in and see what's going on? I hear a lot of people. This guy throwing a party? He's supposed to just be having us over. Oh, it is Parker's house. What up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Dude, you have a mansion.
Dude, I don't know about a mansion, but
Dude,
it's not bad.
this is a mansion.
It's not
When
bad.
I was 23, I still lived at home.
Yeah.
No, I'm just actually. No, that's actually pretty accurate. I worked with my mom and I ran the restaurant with her, so yeah, I did live with her. Oddly enough, how you been?
I've been good, dude. I'm
say hi to everybody.
pumped right now. What's up, DDE fans?
Yeah, don't screw up my
don't fucking
don't screw up my channel,
cut
man.
Cut it out. Dude, how was Vegas?
Vehicle virgins?
Yeah, virgins and vehicles. How was Vegas, dude?
Vegas was fun, stressful, a lot of work. I was
Yeah.
there for the other stuff I do. So you officially are parking your cars inside now.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Wow, so this is a whole new build, right? Like you've gutted it? That's amazing.
I had to downsize. You know, I upgraded the house, so I got to get a smaller Lambo.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Oh man, that's amazing. So what are you doing? Wide body, supercharger? What's going on with this? Tell us about it.
My first mod was breaking the steering wheel off. So we gotta fix that shit.
You do. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's illegal if the airbag's not working.
So then we got the garage. Unfortunately, my Huracan is on a transport to Florida. I'm doing this like, YouTube call out thing with Street Speed and Cletus and Rob Ferretti in Florida.
Oh, crazy.
It's like a half-mile event and then 2 racetracks. But
Crazy. Well, there we go. Now the Huracan is here.
Yeah, see?
There we go. That'll do.
Yeah.
Perfect. If I zoom in and frame it, you won't even know we're not in the garage. There you go, guys. That's Parker's car here in his garage. Oh, I moved. Oh, I just gave it away. Because what else?
What are we gonna do?
What else is there to say tonight? Nothing.
Are we human or are we dancing?
We're just gonna.
What'd you say?
Are
we human or are we
lyrics
dancing?
now out of songs?
Yeah, dude, we could end the video. We got.
What else is there to do?
I don't know.
Nothing.
Jump up and down.
You have no car. We're not driving the other Aventador inside. It's torn to hell.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. That's the end of the vlog.
Why'd you visit?
Woohoo! Yeah. Can we do donuts in our rental out in front of your house? That's probably a bad idea. No. Okay, guys, smash that subscribe button. Throw me a thumbs up. The shenanigans will continue tomorrow. We're going to SoCal to see a whole whack of supercars and some special hypercars. Thanks for watching. I'm sure Parker's doing something crazy behind me. Peace. Shout out to the outro squad. We got a few options now while you're here. Definitely smash the subscribe button over to your left and turn on the notification bell so you know when we drop our latest upload. Check out our merchandise on our store at dailydrivenexotics.com. Go and browse the other videos in the archived playlist or just click on the next suggested video right here and you guys keep watching my pretty face.